Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't ever miss an upload from me. In today's video, I will be doing a deep cleaning of my fridge. It is so messy and it needs to be cleaned. So I will be using my Mrs. Meyer dish soap and the 7th generation bleach to clean my fridge. So the first thing I'm doing is taking everything out the door so I can clean the door first. I'm doing everything in sections because I feel like it's so much easier to clean that way. If you hear any loud breathing in the background, my apologies. My baby is right beside me and he has a cold and his breathing is really loud and his nose is super congested. So now that I'm finished cleaning the door, I'm gonna clean out inside of the fridge. Unfortunately, I did not get to clean the freezer section because sometimes as a mom with a baby, it's hard to get stuff done that you would like to get done. So I was only able to clean one side. This is the first time I was actually taking out all the drawers out the fridge so I could do a complete deep cleaning. Putting in the drawers are taking longer than I expected because I'm having trouble figuring out what goes where and how it's supposed to go in. I finally got in the 2 bottom drawers, but I am convinced this one and this one is not incorrectly, so I have to figure that out because things that are breakable will be going on them and definitely don't want the extra work of having to clean up stuff that are broken. So after trying several times, taking out and putting back in, I finally got it done. So now it's time to put everything back in the fridge. dollar store and I I purchased some storage containers, including this blue one for my fruits such as my grapes and my strawberries. I also got these white ones to store my son's snacks for school, such as his little pizzas and also for his juice. I thought they looked so much better and made everything look so much more organized. Can I close my fridge? Hi, you want to tell them hi? Hello. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so whenever I post a video, you will be notified. I hope this gave you all the cleaning motivation you needed. Thank you. Bye.